Hey kids, welcome back to GK online class once again. Children, do you remember the name of the creature that has feathers all over the body? That has two beautiful wings? That has very strong beaks, and also it can fly very high up in the sky? Yes, you are absolutely correct. It is birds. It is birds. We did learn about birds in our previous class, right children? Today we will learn about some names of different kinds of birds. Okay? So come, let's have a look at some birds. Children, can you name this bird? It runs really fast, you know. Yes, this is a ostrich. Good. Do you know, children, an ostrich is the largest bird in the world? Yes, it is the largest bird. Now let's see the next bird. Do you know the name of this small cute bird? This is called hummingbird. This is called hummingbird. This is the smallest bird in the world. Yes, and it can also fly backwards. Isn't it interesting, children? Okay, now let's see the next bird. All of you know the name of this bird, right? This is called vulture. Very good. But do you know this, that a vulture is the highest flying bird? Yes, a vulture flies the highest in the sky. Now let's see the next bird. This is also very easy. This is a parrot. Very good. And all of you know that a parrot can talk, isn't it? So it's a talking bird. Okay, now let's see what is the next bird. Wow! You know the name of this bird also, right? It is our national bird. It is peacock. Isn't it such a colorful bird, children? Whenever it rains, it just dances beautifully, you know, children. So this is a dancing bird. Now let's see the next bird. Can you name this bird? Do you know this is called emu? It is called emu. But the sad part is, this is a bird, right? But it cannot fly. Yes, this bird cannot fly. Okay, children? So let's do a quick recap of today's class. Can you name the largest bird? Yes, it is a ostrich. Can you name the smallest bird? Yes, it is hummingbird. It can also fly backward. Can you name the highest flying bird? Yes, it is vulture. Can you name the talking bird? Yes, it is parrot. Can you name the dancing bird? Yes, it is Peacock. Can you name the bird which cannot fly? Good. It is emu. Emu. Good job, everybody. So, children, all of you, please learn the names of these birds and the features very nicely. Okay? We will meet again in the next class. All of you, bye bye.